Hello everyone. In this video, I will be guiding you for TDS Project 2. And for making this video short, I will be skipping some basic steps, basic GitHub steps and basic installing steps. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, come to my repo and download my GitHub repo as a zip file. Okay, so this is my repo. I will be providing all the links in the WhatsApp group and TDS that description also. Okay, and TDS WhatsApp group also. So download as zip. It will come as zip here. Yeah. So you can download it as zip. Now open it. Now then click on here, extract all, extract. Now come inside this folder, right click here, open in terminal. You can use WSL also, but no need. Just write simply code space dot. Yeah, now it's got open in that VS Code. Fine. Now let's see. Make.env file. Yeah. First of all, make.env for setting up the API keys. So, okay. So, first of all, right here, I will be giving this link also. First, search Gemini API key. Okay. It will open like this, and you can log from here, and you can click on create API key, and you can name your project as something TDS project 2, and a link will be there, and you can copy that link. I think you know this basic steps. So, yeah, copy that link and come to VS Code. Then, yeah, then here dot env fine. Now I will be giving this template also. So actually, yeah, here this is the .env structure. Right here .env. This okay. So basically here I have a template also. So we can first of all, yeah, this is my original folder. Okay, so this was the extracted folder, but for showing some things, so because I can't do public on the GitHub, my environment variables. That's why I'm showing it here. So first of all, there will be environment template here. So just copy it. I will giving this template in Google Drive also. Copy it and paste it in your .env file. So yeah, come here. Let me copy and paste it in your env file. There now remove each and every line like this and copy paste that link from there here API key link. Okay, then paste it in all this 10 API keys. Okay, these are all for these all are for backups. So this will be set up. Then what to do? Then make a env environment environment setup. So write python minus m venv. Fine. You can see above here. So I will be not installing the packages here because it will take time. And this code also. Then after this, then activate it using this command. This command. Yeah, this command. So here I have my file name as venv. Fine. So make it as venv. If you are making as here env, then you should change the name accordingly. So it's up to you. I think you know this. Env, then and enter. You can see green symbol here. That means it's activated. Fine. Now you can write pip install minus r hyphen r requirement.txt. All the packages will be installed. Fine. Now after this, I am coming to my original folder because I will not don't waste your time by showing all the requirement.txt. So after installing that requirement.txt, you can simply run the code, the app here from see here python minus m uvicorn app. Copy this command, then paste it over here. This is my original folder. So here, enter. You can see it's running properly. A link is coming HTTP 127. So follow. Yes, now it got open here. You can see. I I take time, but yeah, you can refresh it, reload it. It will get open. Okay, now it will be like this. Okay, now come to my drive. I have shared the link in description, and download each and every file. Sample every all 6 files. That whether this is one question file. See questions file, and these are CSV file. So let's come to the app. First, upload one question file. Let's here from here downloads. Let's upload from first sales. Upload it, and this is question.txt. See question.txt. Similarly, upload sales CSV also here. Question dot. No, so it is here. Sample sales CSV. Open it and analyze data. So we have to keep same sales txt and sales CSV. Wait for 1 minute. It will come here. All the graphs, all the findings according to the question. See here. Fine, perfect. So application also, but no need to check. But basically, it's running, right? Similarly, test for whether CSV is sometimes creating issue. It's the issue of that Gemini only. So no need to worry. You can test 2-3 times. It will come. So question.txt weather, then sample weather.csv. Sometimes codes come for less for that CSV. Depends on luck. Basically, it's a problem of Gemini. Wait for 1 minute. It will come. You can watch the video at 1.5x. Yeah, see perfectly. It is coming perfectly. All the 2 graphs. Similarly, you can check for network, questions.network. Here, question network.txt. So we upload the CSV file also for networking. Here, sample. Sorry, here, edges.csv is for network. Edges for edges CSV. Analyze data. All the graph thing is managed by LLM only. Which graph is suitable? It is managing by LLM. LLM managing that. See, come in network graph, degree histogram. That means our app is running perfectly. Okay. Now open your GitHub and make a new repo. Okay. And then I think these are all basic steps also. So new repo and while wait, something showing you. Some students are not keeping MIT license. That's why some students are facing error on the portal. So some students are creating MIT license from VS Code only. So it will not work. So while creating repo, put the license over here, MIT license, right? And name your repo as TDS project something. It's up to you. And public, and yeah, you can add README file also. Turn it on and create a repository. Fine. And upload these files. These files. See, from your VS Code, check here is the file I sent you. You can click here. Wait, add file, upload files. You can go to the same extended folder here. You can see here, and you can upload app.py. No need to upload .env. Okay, and deployment guide. It's your wish. You can create on your own. Docker file. See, these are important. App.py, Docker file, entry point, index, license. I told not to upload from here. Proc file, readme. You can change it according to you. Requirements and runtime. These are all important. VNP. It's got uploaded. Then it will show you like this. Now, okay, search simply search railway. But I will be giving this link in the description also, and you can log in it from here. Then while logging it, you can use GitHub. There will be option login using GitHub. So do like that. No need to do login using Google. So, so that is on GitHub now. That's why. So then deploy and you can see a photo and a dashboard from GitHub. It's from GitHub only. Okay, so you can see my GitHub account. deploy a new project, and deploy from GitHub repo. Click on that, and you can see your name also, that uh, repo name. So it's my TDS project 2 submit. You can click on that. Then, yeah. So it's initializing. So wait. So first we have to set up variables. Okay, so click on plus new variable. Then come to your VS Code and copy here. Then copy like this. From this, like this. Copy it and paste it like this. Not here. Here. Paste it here. Automatically will be selected. Then click on deploy here. Okay, apply 10 changes. Then click on deploy and wait for 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes also. So you can see it's initializing, and you can check the logs, what's happening here. Three logs. See here. So you can skip this. You can watch at 2x speed to show you something. And after this, we have to set up that domain name also here. So let it be. You can see the logs also. You can see. See here. Now you're on our top. You can see active link is coming. But before that, set up domain name settings. And then open from here. Yes, this one. Sometimes it's not set up. So you can click on edit here and give a port. See, edit port, and give it like this and update it. You can see here a port will become. Ports will come out. I think it's yeah, it's fine. Sometimes some students does not see this option. So here it's set up automatically. But in some cases it's not get set up. So you can click on networking, click on this, and you can change your domain name also. It's up to you. So right here 8080 updated. Yes, now support is 80. You can click on that, or you can write 8000 also, 8000 also. It will work fine. So click on this. On my something, I have issue with my IP address, so my LV is not working. So internet is working, but in your laptop it will be open. It will open. Click on this. You can see your that app like this that I showed you. Now this one you can show. You can test it again after deploying, and just come to if it's working fine. If it's not opening, then you should remove this project and upload it, deploy it from scratch again, and check the GitHub repo also, because some files will be missing. That's why it's not getting opening. It's if it's getting open after deploying, then come to project portal, click on this link. Okay, then copy your GitHub repo link here and paste it over here, and paste it at first. Wait a minute. Let me show you. Check GitHub repo. Sorry, no. Wait. Uh, Copy link and check. It's perfectly fine. Now, open that deployed link. Wait a minute. Wait. Yes, this one. Copy this link and you can paste it over here. No, sorry. Wait. First of all, first of all, go to here. Click on this. Then copy from here. It's I told you, that in my Wi-Fi there is some problem with the IP address, so that's why it's not opening. But in my phone, If I am turning on mobile data, it's opening. Okay, copy from here, then paste it. It will should come like this HTTPS, and at last write API. That's it. Slash API, not API slash. Then it will work. Fine. And you can submit a project from here. It will take time, 5 minutes time, to make the zip file, but I am not wasting your time. Then you can open, while submitting project, you can see your render. You can go to railway and go to deployments. Wait a minute, I'm showing you also. So okay, so I have pasted the link, my repo link is submitted here. Then after here, you can confirm. Come to HTTP logs. Wait a minute, deploy logs. Mm, yes, see here. It was my earlier testing. So you can see 16 August, 11/4. You can see 11/4. You can see 200. Okay, that means that portal is hitting the API. Okay, perfectly. 200 code is showing. That means it's perfect. Wait a minute. You can see HTTP log also. See here, 16 August, 11/3, 11/4. It's perfectly working. See these two. These were my earlier thing. So yeah, it will be completed. Wait a minute. It will show like this. See here. 11/4, 11/4. Yeah, this true. 11/4. Yes, from here it was started. Yes, this thing. So you can see 11, 11, 11/3, 11/3 agent starting, 11/4. Now these are the now timings. Question.txt. It passed. Then again, this some other test cases. You can see timing here. No time, and everything is passing. That means you can see here finished change. That means you can come to your portal and refresh it, download as zip, save it. Fine. You will keep here. Open the zip. Perfect. Now this is now networking. So we have test each of the test cases. We can check it's coming or not. Open this. Go to output. Open using vscode. This is JSON file. This JSON file you can see score 117. Then it will show quickly. And go to the Jivraj link, sir. Jivraj link, sir. That checking prompt file. I will share this link also. You can see. Perfect. Similarly, yeah. Here. Open this. See sample sales one. Similarly, go to output. Copy this. Copy. You can see score 1. That means 100 will become 100 come. Yeah. Control A, Control V. You can see 100. Now similarly copy from this here. Open weather. Weather is something what not to read it again. Yeah. See score 1. That means it's also passed perfectly. But sometimes it shows 75, 0.75. So it depends on luck that what I. So if even if it's showing here 100 for weather, but it does not guarantee that you will get full marks in weather CSP, because at that time, what if it comes 0.75, 0.67? So it depends on an API key. So it depends. That means your project is completed and you can become tension free. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So thank you, everyone. This was a video. And after submitting, you can, I have showed you how to check the CSV file, JSON file. You can check your scores. And that was the video. Yeah, if after this, if you get problems in any steps while uploading, deploying, or submitting the project, or checking the prompt file, you can DM me on the WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you, everyone.